Hey y'all, I got something in the mail today that I'm super excited about. It is one of the subscription boxes from Lovevery. So I first discovered this company when I was making Wade's registry and I was looking, I'm like, I don't know, what do babies need? Like, what kind of toys do babies need? And I came across their website and they have a lot of different toys and stuff like that on there. They also have these subscription boxes. And so I've looked at their website tons of times, but I've never ordered from them. So when they reached out to me and offered to send Wade a subscription box, I was like 100% yes, because I'm really curious what I think about their product, but also how he reacts to it. Because if he likes it, then we're all in. I would pretty much give the kid anything that makes him smile. I'm a sucker for his little smiles. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box, show you guys, and then kind of give you guys our honest opinion on would this be worth it for your child. They have boxes that range from 0 to 12 weeks is their first box, and that's what this one is. And then it goes all the way to 36 months, so 3 years. You get either boxes every 2 or 3 months, depending on where your child is and kind of their range of subscriptions. So let's see what's in it. And then I'm going to spend the rest of this week just kind of seeing what Wade thinks about it too. So I'm excited. I like the packaging. So this is the looker, which is the 0 to 12 weeks. And one thing that's really cool about this company, and one thing I connected with them on, is they're Montessori based. A lot of their toys and stuff are made out of sustainable like woods and stuff like that. And everything is really geared towards the child's development. So it's not just a toy to distract or a toy to make noise, but it's something that really is going to help Wade think and learn and really help him developmentally, which I'm all about. So I didn't mention that earlier, but that's one thing that I really connected with their company that I think is really cool. So I just wanted to mention that real quick. Okay, so this is awesome because it kind of steps you through what all's in the box. So this is a mobile. Oh, that's really cool. And the bottom side's the black and white, and then the top side is color. Oh, that looks awesome. I don't think I can show you. So the mobile. It comes with this card and it tells you about what your baby is developing with and how this helps them in their development. So this will help promote visual exploration, and it's just for them to look at. So it says a great place to put it is over their changing table. So as they're getting a new diaper, they can be visually stimulated, and it probably distracts them a little bit. So maybe the diaper change goes a little better for you too. It says this is cool because it says to hang it face down, and then around 20 weeks is when you're so the black and white down, and then around 20 weeks, you're going to flip it to the color side. So that's really cool because it's something they can keep using. So I like that this card tells you how to use these with your child. For somebody who's not a kid, I wasn't a kid person. I didn't really know anything about babies. I have Googled how to play with your infant a lot before he was born. This is really good because it kind of gives you some guidance. So this is a travel card holder because one thing is the black and white cards. So this is cool because you can keep it in there. And this is super nice. Like, it's really good quality, and this is really cool. I like this. And this is also for the black and white cards where it's a card. Oh, and there's the cards. It's a card stand, so you can set it up. My guess is it'd be great with tummy time, but I'm sure they tell me a good way to use it and play with Wade. So this is cool. And then these are the cards that would go in both of those. And so I'm excited about these because Wade has a couple of black and white books that he loves. He loves these books so much. He will just stare at them and just absorb everything about them. So I love that these black and white cards are in there. And he's really been lately connecting with an image that's white with black on it. So I like that there's some of both in here. He's going to love these. I already know that. Let's see what else. We've done that. Oh, there's this. Okay, so this is another thing in here. This book of lullabies, which, okay, I apparently don't know a lot of lullabies. It starts with Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, which I think is the only one I know. Okay, so I do know some of these. I'm feeling a little better about myself. I just forgot about them. So these will be really good because anytime I sing like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star to him, he loves it. And his grandparents also sing it to him. So yeah, this is great. This is the play guide for the box. And so every box comes with a play guide, and I haven't looked at it yet, but I had watched their videos about it. And it's supposed to help you know how to use these items to play with your child, which I had mentioned that I've Googled, like, how do you play with an infant? Because it seems like they don't need anything, but they need so much because they're learning like crazy. And so I was just researching that because I want to make sure that I'm offering everything I can and everything Wade needs to learn everything he can. So I love that they're helping you through this. So each little tab, there's a what and when tab, baby and you, the playthings, and more activities. And this is a super thick book. So it steps through kind of what's on this, which is everything that's in this box. It's what and when, so it'll kind of talk about what order you want to play things in, when to do that. So it talks through like in the first 4 weeks, and it talks through all the way to 12 weeks about what your baby can do, what it likes to do. And then the playthings, which is where it talks about each of the items in the box and how to use them and what to do with them. Oh, this is cool. So it had the travel case for the cards, but something you can use in the car as you're driving, which would have been great the other night or I guess the other day when Wade was ready to get home and take a nap. So maybe that would have distracted him just a little bit. It talks about how to use it through tummy time. So yeah, this is really cool. I cannot wait to kind of dig into this a little more. And let's see what this last one is. Oh, this last one is just talking through like creating a peaceful space for your baby or exposing your baby to language. And then on the back it has like tips and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to dig into this and kind of see what all they have to say, but this was very unexpected. Like, this is a ton of information and really cool. Leave that over there. A couple of stickers. Talks about the materials of each item and how to care for them. Which is good because I had mentioned like they use a lot of sustainable materials and stuff. So it talks about like organic fabric or where the wood's harvested. So these are all non-toxic products. So if you're trying to have more of a clean environment in your house, that was another reason I was looking at this company. So this is cool. I like it. Oh, these go together. Let's see. So this is a little black and white rattle, and it's silicone, so when he starts teething, it's something he can kind of chew on. And he's just now like beginning to think about gripping stuff, so we're headed there where soon he'll be excited to grab this, and I'm sure I'll hear this a lot. So these are black and white mittens. So I can put these on his little hands, and he knows he has hands. He likes to like stick them in his mouth, but he doesn't look at them yet. But I think he's soon, very soon. So he's gonna love these. They're fun. So this is a little wooden book, and I had mentioned that Wade has really been enjoying his black and white books. So he'll be excited to see something else because I just keep showing him the same bugs and animals. Oh, these are super cute. It's a hedgehog. And I like that they're wooden because a lot of times he'll be laying down and I'll put it kind of to the side so he can practice turning his head. So these will sit up really well. And everything is really awesome quality. Like, I'm super impressed. It says a little something for you. They obviously know new parents drink a lot of coffee and tea. The days are long, but the years are short. This is awesome. I love it. So this is everything in the box. This is a lot of stuff. Matt and I are gonna spend time just reading through the play guide and implementing it in our everyday life with Wade. And we can't wait to show you how he reacts to it, what he likes about it. And I'll kind of pop back in and let you know if I think it's worth your money and time to get these boxes for either your kids or nieces or nephews. So yeah.
Good job. Good job. I'm getting tired.
You got mittens.
You're doing great. He's doing it with all his might. Yeah. Is that just funny sound? You're building up upper body strength, I notice. Once he sees you, he's like, hey, Dada. Yeah. Yeah. You did great. You did so good.
We have had a lot of fun this week playing with Wade and just exploring the play kit with him. And I think the most fun has been watching and seeing what he responds to. The mobile is by far his favorite. The sounds that he makes when he sees it and just how excited he gets to see it, it is like definitely right now his like number one out of the whole kit. There's a few things he didn't really connect with yet. One being like the mittens. He hasn't discovered his hands yet. Well, besides just sucking on them constantly. But he hasn't discovered them yet. So one thing I like is knowing that in this kit there's things that he'll continue to play with and will continue to discover new things about. So to me that makes it worth the value. And to be honest, I looked at these kits over Christmas. And I, being my frugal self, was like, well, I don't know if it's worth the money. And so I didn't get it. I was afraid it would be cheap. It would just be cheap stuff that would break or wouldn't last or he wouldn't like. And So once they sent me the box and I got it and I kind of explored it, I was very wrong. The quality of the stuff is really good. It's something that I think he can continue to play with, and it's not going to break. It's going to last until he moves on to the next developmental stage. And it's not just the products in there. I think the thing that I didn't expect was the play guide. And so as a new mom going through the play guide, it's really given me the confidence in our playtime to know that it's something he's going to enjoy, but also something that's helping him develop. So the products are quality, but also their intention and development and thought process behind it is really where the quality is. So it's something I do recommend to people if you're interested in like a Montessori-based learning. And that's something that I'm just now discovering and learning about, and something I'm connecting with, and he's definitely connecting with it too. So if that's where your mind is on like how to interact with your child, then I would definitely say it's worth your money. It's also a good way, instead of you going out to find each of these items that are going to help your child develop, it's kind of a no-brainer. They've done the work for you. So I've enjoyed the box. Wade has definitely enjoyed it. I can't wait to see what the next box holds, which is 3 to 4 months, and just to see what he connects with and if it's something he continues to enjoy and something that I enjoy playing with him. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in checking out Lovevery and their play kits, then there's a link below. It's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it does help the channel a little bit. But just go explore and see what they have. And this is also, if there's like a grandparent out there who's watching or something like that, this would be a great gift for your grandchild too. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. If you've used the boxes or if you are thinking about it, just start a conversation down below and you guys kind of talk about it. I'd love to hear other people's perspective of it because it may be a little different than mine. So thanks guys for watching and hanging out with us and playing with us, and I will see you next time. Bye.